Hey guys, in this video we'll discuss regarding always do something creative. As it is said now, when you have not something creative to do, then mind by nature itself is destructive. So when you put mind into some work, then and do something creative, then that is the key. So you should love, like, if we can say the materialistic life in one line, then I would say that just love the work. If you find something which you love to do, then you have got the biggest gift in life. Like, if you truly love something, like, you see that this is like just everything you give for that, like, just put everything in that moment and you become like a timeless state. So love something and always do something creative. Don't be lazy, because like, whether you do something or not do something, ultimately the body is going to die. The body will like end. So why not to explore the possibilities of human being? Explore the possibilities of human being. Okay, so explore human possibilities. The being is there. Okay, so there is being, which is the watcher, which is there, and there is human, the human brain, which is the most like advanced thing in this planet. The most complex thing in this is human brain. So human brain, you have got so much power, and yet we feel sometimes helpless or unjustified. Don't create stories in your brain that life is this or life this. Should be complete freedom of brain, a sense of knowing nothing and just being and doing something creative. When you are in the moment and you don't put like a tag that you know, when you see that a sense of utter freedom, then the brain also becomes silent and it becomes calm, peaceful, and you automatically gets in the present moment. The consciousness, the self, is the present moment itself. Just by some materialistic disorder, we get into thoughts of past or future. So it's that explore the possibilities of being human, do something creative, being in the present moment, and be happy and calm. So we will come up with lot of creative things here. We'll cover different aspects like health, education, career, creative things, and many other things. So you can stay tuned with us and follow us on all the social media handles, and we'll be coming up with something great content.